Hey ladies, look at that gnarly bruise, brother. So it is currently like 11 p.m. and you might be thinking, Louie, why are you drinking coffee at 11 p.m? And to that, I'd say because I'm a hashtag trendy, relatable 16-year-old girl. Obviously, if you clicked on this video, then you read the title. And if you didn't read the title, then I guess I'll tell you. Tonight, we are going to be cleaning my room. I've tried to film this video like 4 other times, but every single time, it doesn't get clean. I haven't had a clean room, like a really clean room, probably since the summer, which is really just nasty. So today I thought would be the perfect time to clean. Before we start this video, I just want to point out that yes, I know I look rough. That's because I woke up at 5 a.m. this morning and it's now 11 p.m. Also, I just realized I should talk quieter because my family's asleep. I feel like I'm literally gonna fail. Like, this is gonna be a fail. Okay, let's do it. Here's an overview of my room. Yeah. It's honestly not as bad as it was because I started cleaning it but never finished. So, like, it's not even that bad, but also, like, it's really bad. So, this is the grossest lighting. I'm gonna make my bed first because I feel like that is just a very important step. Just found 2 computers. Didn't know that was there. I accidentally made myself into the bed. Don't know where this came from because it's not mine. So, also just found this deck of metal, and I just want to say that me and my partner are 6 at state. So, dab. I'm not completely as lazy and as hopeless as I look. I'm gonna dust my headboard, which I haven't done in like a year, and I just grabbed this like face wash cloth. We have like cleaning towels, but they're all the way downstairs, and I can't do that. I cannot do that right now. Oh my. You can barely even tell, but I just wiped that little section and ew, oh my gosh. That is literally so disgusting. I'm so gross. I am so sorry. Also just noticed that my lights are gone. So I have a hook right there, but that hook is missing, so. I don't even know how to clean off my desk, because there's just some things that just can't move. You guys can't even see that. I just found $3. Cool thing about this necklace, my friend's mom made it. She literally made that. I love it. I think it's the best thing that's ever been given to me ever. I haven't folded my laundry in a really long time, and it's really, what? My hair looks short right now. Okay, and it's really bad. And so I've accumulated a whole bunch of laundry baskets, so I'll just show you right now. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's all clean clothes. I'm not that gross. Life hack. If all of your laundry baskets are full but you need an empty one, just take some of them and dump them into a different one so you have an empty one, if that makes sense. Now I have an empty laundry basket. It's already literally full again. I just got back from a trip like a week ago and I haven't unpacked yet, so thank God I'm cleaning or else I wouldn't have unpacked for like 3 months. It was literally all clothes, so. Just kidding. We also have some deodorant and some perfume and oh, another award. In the process of cleaning my room, I found my favorite shoes that I bought 1 week ago, and oh my gosh. This one's fine, but there's dirt inside of it. Are you kidding me? Just found something else while cleaning. My senior year enrollment papers that were due a week ago. So looks like I'm not finishing high school. It's now 3:02 a.m. and we are on the final stretch. I just have to clean off my sofa. But like everything else is like clean. I just still have like 8 baskets of laundry of clothes to put away. And I need to sweep my floor and like mop it. I'll show you the overview once I'm done with my sofa. First of all, I have 1, 2, 3 band posters to hang up, but there is absolutely no space. My camera's tilted, but there's absolutely no space anywhere to put them, so. Here's my winter homecoming dress. You can see I care about it. Just found a flute. Let's see if I remember anything. Oh God, I'm going to be playing at Juilliard. Welcome to my crib. So it's now like 3:30 and I think I'm going to be done for the entire night because I've been cleaning literally for 4 hours. I seriously like really cleaned my room and there's just some stuff that I have to take care of tomorrow morning, but like I'm really proud of myself. So I'll just give you an overview. My desk is like really nice. I just gotta take care of like a few things, but like it's fine. My bed and stuff. All that is lined against the wall is just the stuff that I need to take care of tomorrow. And then still have to fold laundry. And then my sofa. Also, I just want to point out that yes, I know that my floor is gross. That is because we ripped up the wallpaper like, what? We ripped up the carpet like 6 months ago and we're planning on redoing those hardwood floors that were underneath. But we just have not gotten to it, but I swear it will not be nasty forever, so yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching and staying with me until almost 4 a.m. If you like this video, make sure to like it and subscribe if you thought I was just so entertaining. I'm gonna go to bed now, so thank you guys for watching and I'll see you next time.